Hi everyone. Okay, so I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing to do. This one is a square diamond kit and it's called It's About Time. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I saw this, I was like head over heels in love with it. Oh my gosh. This is like so I live for my books, which is a, you know, paranormal romance and just that whole fantasy. It's like a fantasy that I just love so much. Oh, look, you get the pink seashell. It's a cover minder. You pull back your plastic and it holds it for you. And then you get a pink one with some extra little multi-spacers. You just put them on here. And that's it. You can change them out all you want. I think this one's a 4 and a 7. Then you get your wax, and your wax is in this heart. There's 2 of them, and you peel back the little film to get the wax. I like them. I like the wax. So a lot of people don't really care for it. I don't know. They all try and find their own method that works for them, and sometimes things work for us and sometimes they don't. You get washi to put on your edges and your squishy. That never stays on this thing. I don't know how, I think you maybe hot glue it because it never stays on for me. I've tried it. You get tweezers, but only with the square ones, and these are like the best tweezers, you guys. They really are. And you get a little tray. So let's look at it completely. So I just want to get that little fluff stuff out of the way before we see the actual painting, because the actual painting is freaking phenomenal. Oh my gosh. But it feels huge, you guys. It feels really, really big. So let me take out this so we can see the innards. Always use a coupon code, you guys. There are so many coupon codes out there. There's buy one get one 50% off for your first purchase. There's 20% off your first purchase. I don't hawk my wares with them. I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that. So they have, I think, two influencers for them, and it's called Diamonds and Diamond and Washi and Emeralds and Lights, and they always have coupon codes. But once you buy one diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, which is DAC, you get to be in the Facebook VIP group, and you get a code for life. So you never have to pay full price. So never pay full price for it. Okay, so this is called It's About Time, and it has 64 drills. You guys, look at this. I love anything clockwork stuff. I love gears. Gears are just, they're just so fantasy, you know, to me. And steampunk kind of stuff. I can't get enough of this one. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, I have to have you in my life. And I think it's still available, you guys. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this one is. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, you guys. You know, if you're in the scrapbooking world, Tim Holtz, if everyone should know who Tim Holtz is. And yeah, he has his gears and stuff like that too. Oh, wow, you guys, look at how big this is already. Okay, so let's see. Capricorn, Aquarius, Sagittarius. So it has our zodiac signs. Whew, jeez, that was a hard one. my brain is now taxed. We're done. So this is a little bit on the wrinkle side, a little bit, but not too bad. But look, it has a rooster. I was gonna say the other word because it's, you know, in my head too. Look at, it's just so pretty, you guys. And it's not very confetti heavy, but it's also not very color blocked either. So it has room to have fun and not get overwhelmed with confetti, especially if you're not a confetti person. I am. I can't get enough confetti. Let me scooch you in. Let me see if you can see this better. Let me scooch you in so you can see a little bit more of the detail. But let's see. Let's go this way. Oh, see, you see that Capricorn, Aquarius. Oh, look at that cuckoo clock. it's like a cuckoo clock, but I don't think it is a cuckoo clock. And we have, let me scooch it in this way. I am not a professional YouTuber, you guys, so I am doing the best I can. So I don't have a sweet, nice voice or anything, or a nice setup where you can have different angles, and I don't know how to edit, so that's why I say I'm not professional. If I was professional, I could edit my videos, but I do not know how, nor do I really want to learn. I have my days filled with crafting, and I don't care to fill it full of knowledge of editing. So yeah, so sorry, but you know, I'm having fun. So there's the owl. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so big. Trying to get it without the glares, the glary part of it. Oh, look at that. It's like a truly fan one, huh? I don't know. I mean, she's so neat looking, you guys. So neat looking. Ugh, isn't that great? And only 64 drills. It is so massive. Okay, let me scooch it back out. It's so good, you guys. So unbelievably good. Look at that. It is so neat. So let me fold it up, and let's look at the drills. I want to see what colors they're going to give us. They just get better and better every day. They really do with what they bring out. They bring out 8 new designs and then this one, I store mine separately because I don't hassle with getting it back into the thing. But you store it in the bag, and it says it's about time, so you know that it's for that one. Okay, oh, look at this, you guys. So pretty. Look at that. Let me scooch it back in. That way we can look at the drills together. So it's not too dark, so let's see. Oh, there's a drill that fell out. Hopefully that's just a fluke. Let's see. Let's go this way. Oh, I didn't even look. Where's the paper? Okay, so we have anything above a 150 is a special drill, so an AB drill, which is an Aurora Borealis one, and there are 4 of them, 4 AB drills, you guys. And down here, anything with the, oh, so the 6s, I believe, are their own colors now. They're not a DMC color, they're their own DAC color. And the Z's are usually fairy dust. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust and 2 special color drills. So that's awesome. So this is 139. So isn't this beautiful? That is your AB drill. So you get 2 823s. Number 3 also, yeah, 3 also. So that's the blues, and then we have let's see. Then we have 938. We have 3 938s, 311, 38, 37, 801s. We have 4 801s, browns. Oh, there's your Z. There's your special fairy dust one. It's so pretty. And then 898, 3787, 898. We have 3 of those browns. And then we have Z498, which is another fairy dust. Look at that. That is beautiful. 611 and 611. 2 of those. Uh-oh, something's opened. Huh, something's opened. I don't know which. I'll have to find out which one that is. It usually doesn't happen, so that's my first for me. So that's weird, but it, you know, it's all good. I will figure it out. It's over here though, so it must be this one over here. That's a pile that's open, and it's a brown one. So they give you plenty of the browns, so I'm not fretting about it. when I run out, and if I run out before my painting's done, I just email them and they will send you a new set. 129, that is an AB. 3772, 3064, 817, 814. Oh, that's an AB. 400, 300, 934. Oh, that one's pretty. 815, 371. So there's 2 of those. 782. There's 2 of those. 3818. 2 of those. 372 and 414 and 3842. So let me move these out of the way so that way I know to look in this pile. Okay, and then we have 3857. There we go. And then we have 986, 413, 413, 2 of those, 433, 2 of those, 3 of those, 3 of those, 3834, 317, 310, only one 310, yay! 6014. If you know about 310, they're the butt to place. Oh my god, the black. Oh, you need your glasses and your magnifying, and you know, I need one of those headlamps that also has the glasses, you know, that has the magnifier on it, and whew, yeah, those things are hard. Oh my gosh, look at the little ones. The little ones are so cute. 907, 518. They're just little specks. 6020, 3819. Oh, so this is their own little color right there. 402, 159, 666. Pretty red. 740, 3364. Oh, look at that one's beautiful. 165. Oh, that's a pretty green. It's like a limey green. 301, 741, 3042, 3371. Oh, an AB. Oh, look at that one's beautiful. 3072, 830, 803. Oh, here is a fairy dust. And 154. So that one's so pretty. Okay, here's another drill. And we have 939, 550. It's a pretty purple, huh? Oh, 2 550s, nice. Another fairy dust. And 3799. So that was it, you guys. What do you think? Isn't this neat? I just love it. It's, you know, and I think if you, I don't know, if you like the time travel stuff too, that's also, it could be like that. I mean, tell you guys, it's all fantasy. Fantasy is amazing. Alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Don't forget your coupon. Always use a coupon no matter what. Look for one. They're good. They're good. So we'll see you later. Bye.